For the 2018 Fountain Wars Design Competition, we had two technical tasks, putting from the drink and a balancing act revisited. For our first technical task, putting from the drink, we had to throw a standard ultimate frisbee disc to a target 6 feet tall by 2.5 feet wide. There's additionally a window in the target that is 2.5 feet tall by 2.5 feet wide. Throwing it through this target will get extra points. Because the target will be 25 feet away from the pool, we had to come up with a throwing mechanism that would be able to get it that far. Our throwing mechanism consists of a CNC cut semicircle trap with a metal guide rail fitted along the outside. This will allow the frisbee to be put in between our electric powered wheel and the guide rail, and when the wheel spins, it will glide easily along the track. Our wheel will be powered by a hydroelectric generator. Our pump will power this water turbine, which will spin the chain, powering the generator. For our second technical task, the balancing act revisited, we had to keep a balance beam level, and that would be indicated by a handball located in the middle of a 6-foot PVC track. The balance beam will be considered balanced as long as the handball remains in the center. Judges can put up to 6 pounds of weight on either end of the balance beam, requiring our balance beam to put an adequate amount of water in the other end to remain balanced. This will all be controlled by a centralized encoder, an Arduino, and 4 solenoids. Our encoder, which will be located at the central pivot point of our balance beam, will send information to an Arduino. The Arduino will process this and then tell 4 solenoids what to do. 2 solenoids will control whether water goes into the buckets on either end, and 2 solenoids will control whether the water goes out. For our aesthetic display, we will be modeling our fountain off of the iconic 1957 Chevy Bel Air. For the display portion of our fountain, we will simulate a car starting with the engine running and lights turning on. This is our design for the 2018 competition. We are the Kansas State University Fountain Wars design team. We are excited for competition in July and look forward to seeing how the other teams approach these challenges. Go Cats!